Okay.
My keys are right there, so.
Where are they? Oh, right there. I didn't take that long though, right?
No, I hadn't heard anything. And I was reading like old text messages and I was like at 8 o'clock. I was like, what?
It's like, that doesn't make sense. Damn, I wonder why it's so windy.
It's that time of the year.
Yeah.
It's gonna be windy for till May probably.
Damn. Okay. Yeah, I already got it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
really appreciate it. Oh, thank you.
All right. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.